What's up guys, for today's video I'll be taking a look at the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Cruze RS Premier. Then I'll be taking it out on the road and showing you many of the features on the interior and exterior. So the Cruze comes standard with one available engine, the 1.4-liter turbo that makes 153 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque, and makes 29 city and 39 highway, and goes 0 to 60 in just under 7 seconds. So on the driver door, you have the window control. The driver's side window is fully automatic. Right above it, you have the mirror control. The door handle would lock and unlock. You also have the trunk release and the Bose speaker with the storage. And on the right hand side of the steering wheel, you have the automatic lights with fog lights. And on the steering wheel, you get a leather wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel. On the left hand side, you have your cruise controls with the heated steering wheel. And on the right hand side, you have your controls for the infotainment system and voice command.
Say a command or say help.
Help.
You can say phone, audio, navigation, weather, or OnStar. To call a number quicker, say call followed by speech session ended. Goodbye.
And on the left hand side of the steering wheel, you have the turning signals. And on the right hand side, you have your windshield wiper control. And on the screen, you have your speed, trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy. You also have audio, phone, navigation, and options. You have your units, information page, And right along the center console, you have the 8-inch color display. Right below, you have the radio controls, the hazards, and the climate controls with heated seats. You also have the engine start-stop button. And right down here, you have the 6-speed automatic transmission with manual mode and backup camera. You also have 2 cup holders, traction control, and wireless charging, and a key holder. You also have a USB and auxiliary cord and a 12-volt power outlet. And on the screen you have your radio with Sirius XM. You have your phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have your navigation. Settings, you have time and date, rear seat reminder, language, valet mode. You also have teen driver. You can view report cards, manage settings, register keys. You also have your radio, vehicle, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice, display, rear camera, return to factory settings, software information, and Wi-Fi. You also have weather, traffic, and shop. Yeah, also have OnStar and text. And on the window sticker, the standard vehicle price is $23,520. They added the RS package, the Enhanced Confident package, and the Driver Confident 2 package, which all comes up to $27,000. Here's the final assembly. 5-star safety ratings and fuel economy. So my experience on driving the 2018 Chevrolet Cruze Premier, this car is a lot of fun, not for the money but for the features. The MSRP on this particular one with options is $27,000, but as we speak, Chevy has it listed for $24,000 plus. That's not all that bad for a compact car with a lot of features, such as lane keep assist, forward collision warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, and much more. And it also makes 34 city and 39 highway. So I'll give it a 7 out of 10 in my score cars, just because it's a fun first car for a teenager. But price-wise, you can see in the term of 5 years, it depreciates $13,856. First year, of course, is the hardest year, but throughout the years, it loses. But as price-wise, as you can see, in the term of 5 years, it loses $13,856. The first year is usually the hardest. It loses about $7,800, but the next 4 years, it loses about $7,500. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.